In this tutorial, I'll show you how to deliver a digital product through email after sales in Systemeio. Hi and welcome to this channel. Now, the reason why you want to do this is because after your customer finished purchasing your product, you have access to the download page, but sometimes they might close it mistakenly. All right, so you have to make sure the product is being delivered to their email address as well, just in case. All right, so after watching this video, I'll drop my product link in the description box. Please don't forget to check it out. You want this to go right after purchase. So this should be linked to order form. So I'll click on the order form and we automate this rule. So click on automation rules. So now automation rule here. So we're gonna scroll down. I know it's easy to miss this. Always please remember to scroll down, then click on add rule, then click on trigger. When this event happens, we want to send new emails when the customer makes a purchase. So click on it. And this, you don't need to do anything here. The funnel name is Digital Income Starter Bundle, and funnel step is after order form, and the order form name too is Digital Income Bundle order form. All right. Now, next, you need to click on action. What action do you want? I want to send email. This time we are not subscribing them to an existing email list, but in this case we want to send them email. So click on send email. All right, so click on create email message. All right, so this is the subject line and I'll add the text here. I have everything drafted already, so I'll copy because I don't want to waste your time, and I'll drop it, shift 1 and drop it. Now I'll add the link to the download button. All right, so I'll double click this and I'll add a link to this test, which is the product link. So click on link and paste the link and click on the check sign. But if you want to upload, you can click here to upload it. All right, when you click upload, then you're gonna drag and drop it here, and after you're gonna click select and you're gonna proceed. So I'll change the color first, the text color, go to blue and go all the way down there. And then I'm gonna click here again to bold it, like this 3 menu, then I'll bold it. All right, so as you can tell, it's bold, which is good. And now I'll show you another thing I like to add to it, because people tend to forget about this. So I'll add this special character and I'll type click here to download the files, then like that. Then what I'll do again, I'll go copy the link and I'll highlight, click on the 3 menu here and link, then paste it again, then click on the check sign, and I will change the color one more time to blue. I like using blue for download, and I'll bold it, click here and bold it. All right, and click on save. So after it's saved, scroll down and click save rule. Please don't forget to do this. This is very, very important. I don't know why it's hidden down. It should be on top somewhere. Save rule. All right. So as you can tell, right after the checkout form is filled by the potential client, this will be triggered. All right. And the email will be sent to the customer's email address. All right. With the download link. All right, if you want to add another rule again, you're going to have to click here to add. But in this case, this is all I want to do. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe for more, because I'll be coming out with more videos like this. And please do check out my product. All right, I'll drop it in the description box. Don't forget to check it out.